Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. On Tuesdays, we always talk about something easy and fast with technique. And today we are talking about a lined lip versus a contoured lip. So on one side, I'm going to do a lined lip, and on the other, I'm going to be using a contoured lip. But I'm going to be doing this all from Maskcara Beauty, where all of your amazing goodness is in one compact. I have all of my stuff in here. You can tell that I use it a lot. Got my highlight, my main foundation, my highlight, my contour. I've got 3 lip glosses and blushes. They're both an illuminator, bronzer, and a perfume, believe it or not. And on the bottom, I have all of my eyeshadows, powder, another illuminator, and an eyeliner. So I'm gonna be using this brush right here, which is called the multitasker brush, to do my lips with. So I'm going to be doing this color right here, which is called Sandstone. It's one of my favorites. I use it all of the time. So I'm going to be using the small end of that brush, of the multitasker brush, and I'm going to line my lip with the pointy end. So when you're lining your lips or even contouring, you want to go under the bottom outside corner. So not on the lip line, but the outside corner. So this is to enhance your lip size and to define it. So a lot of times you're gonna line with a different color than what's in your compact, but most people don't have lots of different colors in their compact. So I'm gonna be lining with the same color that I'm gonna be using. And on the top line, outside of my lip line, right there. And on this side, I am going to contour. Get all that junk off my brush. Contouring, I'm using henna as my contour. Outside line. Okay. Keeping it as close as possible to the outside of that lip line. Okay, way different from each other, huh? So now I'm gonna fill it in with the other side of my lip brush here. And I'm gonna head. Did you hear my baby? I have a 1-year-old. Her name is Sophia. And she's trying to escape out of her pack and play right now. And I also have a 3-year-old, and he is in pre-K. Sorry, it's really hard to talk when you're doing your lips. So hard to talk to you. But it's not rocket science that I'm just filling my lip in, right? Yeah, it's not too complicated. All right. Blend it just a little bit. Okay, so here we have a contoured lip, and here we have a filled lip. So I like the contoured lip a little bit more than I do the lined lip because it's making it pop. There you go, that's the thing right there. I like that it makes my lips look more defined. So contouring creates shadows where shadows would be naturally placed. And by doing a contoured lip, it's putting that shadow on the outside of my lip, and I actually think it makes it look fuller. I think it gives me more of like a poutier lip versus this lip. That's just more of like a, it looks fuller, but it doesn't look plumped. Does that make sense? Giving a nice plumped lip. So it gives me a little bit more of a pouty lip versus the side. What do you think? What do you think, friends? Drop a line below. What do you personally like better? I like the contoured. I like the contoured way more. I just think it makes it pop so much more. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour the other side. Taking it right on the outside line. Right there. So if you have thin lips, girl, this is gonna change your life. Taking it on the outside line. Your lips are gonna be so much fuller if you contour that outer lip. So I'm just blending it together just slightly on that edge. Yes, I love that. Definitely contour for me. Which one do you like better? Let me know below, and if you like videos like this and you want more, make sure you hit the little bell button to subscribe to my videos, and check back in the past. I've done a lot of little quick and easy tutorials with mascara makeup just to help you pump your way through this new learning curve with this brand new type of cream based makeups. And if you need a color match to mascara, where I color match you to these tins so you don't have to figure out your own colors, because these tins are 35% pigmented. They're hard to pick out your own shades. So I am an expert at color matching, and I would be happy to help you. And normally I talk way more than this, but like I said, it's hard to talk while I'm contouring my lips. So I will talk to you all super soon. Catch me on Friday for my eyeshadow tutorials that I do every single Friday as well. Thank you so much, friends. I will talk to you super soon. See you.